Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Wayne Brozick. Hey, this week I want to talk to you just briefly about leadership and leadership styles. I'm working with the dealer group this week, and the owner was going to be out of town, and he said, "Hey Wayne, I cleaned up my office so you could work out of there." And I'm like, "You didn't have to clean your office, specifically your desk, so I could work out of there." I've worked out of the conference room every time I've been here, and with the exception to one other time he was gone, and so I needed to work. They were taking over the conference room for a meeting, and so I needed to excuse myself. And I did, and the only open office was his. And I called him and said, "Hey, do you mind if I work out of there?" He's like, "No, not at all." And so this week he was going to be gone as well. And he said, "Hey, I cleaned off my desk for you." And as you can see, it is. He cleaned up his office for me. And I'm like, "Look, I don't need to use your office. I feel awkward sitting in your office." And then it hit me. It's not so much that he cleaned up his office space for me. What hit me was he's extending his trust to me and WB Global by saying, "Sit in my office, run the place," or not, I shouldn't say run the place, but take your style and take care of everything that you need to in my absence while I'm here. He didn't hand me the keys to the empire and say, "Take over." I don't want to misrepresent that. But what it really means is that he trusts us, he trusts me to sit here and influence his people even in his absence. And that means a lot to me. It means a lot to me personally. It means a lot to WB Global, because we get so embedded in dealerships that we really become an extension of your leadership team. And so that's what I want to talk to you about today is, how about you? How about your team? Who do you have on your team that can fill your chair in your absence? Not just hold the chair, but keep the team moving forward in your absence. So I challenge you, think about your bench strength on your leadership team, and also to challenge yourself, would you have opened your office up and said, "Hey, somebody that's on your leadership team, lead from my chair"? Because when you do that as a leader, you stop bottlenecking leadership and you expand it. Because true leaders empower others, right? If everybody has to come to you to make the final decisions, you might need to revisit your leadership style, because what you want to do is expand your leadership capabilities, and even in your absence, the team should keep growing and excelling and moving on. They shouldn't bottleneck everything and wait for you to come back to answer all their questions. So I hope you enjoyed this tech tip. If you do, please share it. We'd like to continue to grow our influence, and we really appreciate having you take a few minutes every Tuesday and listen to us. So thank you so much. Looking forward to talking real soon. See ya.